Hello everyone, welcome to my class today. So my class today is about the pronouncing the ed endings. So first of all, what do all the verbs have in common? So I need one volunteer to read this one. Can I ask? Lily? Yeah, okay. Get it. So we have some words. Good, thank you, Lily. Okay, so we have some words here: arrive, think, end, talk, walk, study, try, wait, use, start, edit, travel, and want. This one is the common verbs, and on these verbs are regular verbs. That means that to make the past simple, we make an ed ending. In the present, we have the word walk, but in the past, we have the word walked. The word want gonna be wanted, and try gonna be tried. So can you hear the different sounds that I make during through three verbs? Okay, the ed can make the different sounds. Sometimes it sounds like ed, sometimes it sounds like d, and sometimes it sounds like t. So can everyone can distinguish what is the differences? Can I ask Ben? Good. So now we're gonna move to how to distinguish between three sounds. Three sounds. So how do we know that when to use the different sounds? Okay, let's listen together.
Start. Started. End. Ended. Edit. Edited. Want. Wanted. Point. Pointed. Need. Needed.
Okay, so can you distinguish what is the differences? So we have look at the last letter of each verb. Start, started, T. Want, wanted, T. End, ended, D. Point, pointed, T. So if the verb ends in a T or a D, the ed ending makes the ed sound. So start, started, need, needed, right? So next one, trying to say the D sounds. First, I need one volunteer to say that. Okay, good. Okay, good job. So now we listen and practice together.
E.
E.
D.
Okay, so everyone, let's make the sound together. Everyone, can we say yes or no? No, good. We say Okay, next one. This one is E. Make a long E. E. Good. And good. So can you feel your voice box vibrate here? Yes, it's vibrate. Good. Okay. So now try and say this sound. Everyone. Good. Everyone touch your hand in the voice box together. Good. Good. And okay. Now can you feel your voice box vibrate? Good. Okay. It's no vibrate. So all these ed ending make the t sound. Can you guess the rules? Talked, walked, helped, matched, missed, placed. Okay, so keep your hands on your voice box and think the last sound in each verb. Do you want to be a volunteer to get the ending sound? Can I ask Kevin? So is it right, everyone? Yes or no? Yeah, good. So we have, if the verb ends in the sound that doesn't vibrate your box, we use the T ending. Doesn't vibrate your box. Okay, the T ending. So that's next one. All these, the indie ending sounds make the D sound. Can you guess the rules? First,
Use.
listen.
Used. Study. Studied. Travel. Traveled. Try. Tried. Play. Played. Listen. Listened. Film. Filmed.
So can you guess, everyone? So if the verb ends in the sound that vibrates your voice box, we use the D ending. So now we move to practice. Can you put this verb in the right category? Started, and ended. Happened, loved, liked, added, stopped, parked, laughed, cleaned, looked, and decided. Now we need to finish this activity in 5 minutes. If you finish, raise your hand and then you will have the bonus point. So time's over, and this is the answer for all that. Added. Why we choose added in the ed sound? Can you explain? I need one volunteer to do that. Good, because the end of the word's ed. Okay, what about the word liked? Why? Good, because at the end of the word we have the word k. Liked, the same as stopped, parked, laughed, looked. Yeah, good. And the others will be the D sound. Now let's play a game together. So I will gonna move to this one. Okay, I'm gonna divide you into 2 groups. Okay, group 1 and group 2. And then you're gonna have the mini board. If you finish, you write on the mini board and say finish. You will have point. Okay. So when you finish, what did you say? Finish. Good. And then you need to pass the board one by one. If the person number 1 finished, you need to move to number 2, and then number 3, and then number 4 until no 1. Okay, so are you ready, guys? Yeah, okay, let's start together. First one, tired. EDDRT. Everyone. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Tired. Okay, let's show the board. Show me the board. Is T sound is D sound. 1 point for T1, no point for T2. Stayed, ED or T sound. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Team 2, what is the answer? Stay, stated. Good. Next one, last one. We have watched, EDDRT. Go. 3, 2, 1. Show me the board. Okay. Watch it. The answer is T Y because the end sound is SD. Okay, so let's review together for the last time. If the words end with the T, we have K, P, C, H, S, S, and places because that sound doesn't vibrate your voice box. Okay, and if the sound that vibrates your voice box with you the D ending, so everyone get you? Okay, so that's it for our class today. Goodbye everyone.